Ready to get your awesome website live on Ionos? Let's dive into uploading your files seamlessly. First things first, we need to access your Ionos control panel, open your web browser, and navigate to the Ionos login page. Enter your customer number or email address and your password. Then click the Login button. Once you're logged in, locate your hosting package and click on it. This will take you to your hosting overview. From here, we're looking for the option to manage your website files. This is usually labeled something like Website, Webspace, or File Manager. Ionos offers a few ways to upload your files, and the most common is using their built-in file manager. You'll see a visual representation of your hosting directory. The target directory for your website files is typically named htdocs or public HTML. Make sure to upload your files into this main folder. To begin uploading, find the Upload button. Clicking this will usually open a File Explorer window on your computer. Now navigate to where you've saved your website files on your computer. This could be a single HTML file, a collection of images, or an entire project folder. Select all the files and folders that make up your website. Click Open or Select in your File Explorer, and you'll see Ionos begin to upload them. This might take a few moments depending on the size and number of your files. You'll usually see a progress indicator. Once the upload is complete, refresh your file manager. If needed, you should now see all your website files listed within the correct directory, ready to be served to the internet. And that's it. Your website files are now on your Ionos server and accessible online. You've successfully uploaded your website content.